Okay, so one option on these windshield wipers for your classic car, you can get this whole thing can kind of slide off. Push this thing down, and this kind of whole thing pops off. I'm not sure where you get the whole thing with the metal and stuff that looks like this. You can get the new ones, they're black and bulky, and they just look stupid. So what I'm doing is just replacing the rubber itself. So there's a little clip here on the end that just kind of holds everything in there, and you just kind of pinch that guy together to get past here. She slides right out. Try not to scratch up your window there. Then you take the new guy. Something a bit frustrating for me was trying to find a chart with sizes for the replacement rubber seals. They call them refills. Here's some charts I was able to find from some Mopar forums. I'm not sure these are up to date, but maybe it helps somebody out. So this right here is a 1970 Mustang. These are U16R blades, and you can see the new one compared to the old one. Basically, the rubber portion here is completely gone on the old one. So we'll replace these with the nice new ones. Alright, so these guys fooled me when I first tried to slide them on. The trick is, you got your clip on this side, and you start with the non-clip side. You go for the second female clip there, and you keep on going to the second to last female clip. Keep on sliding. Alright, then you got your last clip here, and now you have to go past this clip right here. So your last clip, slide it on your last, and then see I went past but didn't go through this. Now I'm gonna come back and then slide it through. It clips in perfectly. Now I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Alright, so here's another potential use case you could have. Now, this windshield wiper isn't particularly good looking or sleek, but it is another example of kind of what you can run into. So I ordered this replacement, so I'm going to give you the part number in the description. It's interesting because it comes in two pieces that break apart. So there you can see the detailed shot. This one is not as wide. I think this is 6mm versus like 9. The other interesting thing about this is when I took the old guy out, and you'll see here in a second. So this guy's got a clip on this side. Just gonna kind of pinch off from the bottom. Set that gently. I wish I had a bigger cloth, but it's nice to have a cloth to set down, ready to go. Alright, so this right here, like I said, is interesting, and that's because you can see that this seal is already broke off. There used to be kind of a wiper that's totally broke off, but it is the same profile, which is good. But so you can see these two metal pieces kind of keep this stiff in here. So then you just reuse these on your new piece. Just try to keep the same orientation. So I got her in there. Now what I'm going to do is cut it to length because it comes along. I cut it scotched along. Thanks for watching. Installing this wiper refill is similar to the Mustang refill that I showed, but you don't have to skip the first clip because the metal stiffeners have lead-ins on both sides. So you slide the wiper refill all the way in, and the stiffener clips will keep it locked in place. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please consider liking and subscribing. Until next time.